Sometimes we need to write one word or one sentence multiple times, or maybe we need to calculate something like 2 to the power 5, and to calculate this kind of mathematical equation we need to multiple 2 for 5 times. We can multiple this by writing code multiple times, like here if we want to print out hello world for 5 times, then I will print out hello world for 5 times. And now if I run the code, I'm having hello world for 5 times. And this is also true for if I want to find out the value of 2 to the power 5. Then I will do what is int a equals to 2, then a into 2, 1. So now if I print out the value of a, if I run the code, I'm having 32. So now if I calculate this value in a calculator, 2 to the power 5 is 32. So we are having the correct answer. So this is not the proper way to write this. We can do this same thing just writing one line of code, and there comes the for loop. And there are 3 types of for loop. One is normal for loop, which is used more often, and there are other loops like while loop and do while loop. In the upcoming video we will talk about those loops deeply.